Hi, in this video we are going to implement set in a JavaScript. So first we discussed about the set, why set it will use in a JavaScript. So when we require the unique value to hold the unique value to store the data, then the set it is used to store the unique elements, unique data. So either it is not a specific element, either it is a string, integer or any object data type. So now let's see how we can implement new set. Now const and set data dot add in a PHP and add another data just like PHP Java. Now print out this set data. Now run this file. Now PHP and Java two value are exist in set data. Now in this file, now see, we iterate the one by one value from the set. For that advanced for loop, inside the advanced for loop we get each unique data. So this way we can implement set and iterate the set in a JavaScript.